Today I'm checking out this small handheld radio. It is battery operated, so that way if you lose power, you can still use it. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. When you take it out of the box, you'll find the radio itself and a little manual that tells you about the radio. And again, it's just a little handheld radio. It does take two AA batteries that you put here in the back. And it's got an antenna here on the side so you can extend it, get some better reception. It does show you a red LED here for the battery and a little green button here for tune. You've got the little manual tuner here on the side. And here's your volume. It's got a little volume switch. Here is where you can switch from off to FM or AM. It's got a little clip here on the back, so you can clip it on, your pants or your belt. And on here, it's got a microphone jack. These are great for when you have, let's say, lost power. Maybe you're having bad weather or there's an emergency going on. You can have all the information you need through the radio without having to have power. Again, you just have two AA batteries in the back, which supposedly will last a really long time in this. Let's go ahead and put some batteries in it, make sure this thing works. So I did put a couple batteries here in the back. I'm going to go ahead and get that closed, and let's go ahead and turn this thing on. I can't really stay on any station for very long because, copyright reasons, but it does look like you can really get a station in really well, and it's easy to tune in. And again, it's got AM also. I don't know how many AM stations there really are too much anymore. And that's just with the antenna to here. It's got great reception even with the antenna here, but you can put that antenna all the way up. So yeah, I think for a small handheld little radio, this is going to be awesome. It's going to work great. And again, if you're getting this just for emergency reasons, this should be perfect. It's even got this little lanyard if you need it for your hand, but I really like it. It's exactly what I was looking for. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.